Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. And looks like some towels, 2 travel towels, just a small one. This is probably a hand towel or face towel. If I can get it out. There you go. Okay. You can use this for your face or your hands. It's a loop here so you can use it. And then here's the brand and shear and instructions on how to wash it. And that's the smaller of the two. You get this bag to go with it if needed. This one's a zipper bag here. Honestly, I just take the towel. No need for a bag. This one's a full towel. You'll see it all, but same thing. Right? So if you're interested in these towels, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.